you have to have a satin. It's a little slob. Don't act like y'all pillows don't have slob on it. Don't act like it.
Tristan, did you call them foundation people?
I'm recording, Mom. Hey family, so Curly Chris here again today, and in today's video, y'all, if this is not my most highly requested video, then I don't know what is. Like, I've literally gotten at least like 500 people ask me this question, so I was like, let me just make a video about it, so next time I can just be like, watch the video, so you know, I can explain in full detail of what I do. And that video is, how do I preserve / sleep at night with my hair, like what's my nighttime routine, and just basically how do I sleep at night once I actually have a style. Because what I find out that happens a lot is whenever people go to sleep, they wake up and their hair is not the same as the previous day, and which can be really frustrating. We've all had a few days like that when we was like, this hair is popping, then we wake up looking like, who did it and why? And you'd be like, oh my God, seriously, like, just, I need sleep. I don't want to just like not sleep. I need to sleep. So I need to find a way so where the next day my hair can still look good. On average, I get about 4 to 5 days out of my styles based on the weather here, if it's too humid or not. And also just if I actually like how I sleep at night. I do pretty good with preserving my hair and my styles. So I'm just gonna share some of them tips with you all, and hopefully that helps, because I understand it's a struggle. Like, it's a struggle, okay? If we want to keep our hair looking good, a struggle. I got you, fam. I got you. But before we do that, y'all should already know what I'm about to say. Y'all should already know. If you have not hit that subscribe button on this side or that side, if you have not done so, I'm gonna need you to join the family. I'm gonna need you to do that because we need you here. We need you here, okay? So the main thing that I do to preserve my hair at night, I don't really do much. I'm gonna be honest, I don't really do much. And whenever I say, hold on, okay, so I don't really do a lot. Like, whenever I say that, I mean, I literally go to sleep. But I have a certain way that I go to sleep. So if I have my pillow, first off, you have to have a satin. It's a little slob. Don't act like y'all pillows don't have slob on it. Don't act like it. Don't do it. All right, now I have a satin pillowcase, guys. Any pillow does not matter. If you want if you want a real comfy pillowcase or your pillow, or you don't really care, you're not that fancy. Hey, I'm not that fancy. It's a little thin pillow. It ain't nothing to it, okay? Nothing to it. Anyway, the pillowcase will matter. So I got this from like a beauty supply store or something like that. It's just a plain satin pillowcase. It is very important you get a satin pillowcase, because if not, you're gonna wake up with single strand knots. Single strand knots. That's the devil. We know it is. Satin pillowcase, it really does keep in the moisture as well, because you're rubbing your hair on something that is smooth versus something that is rough. Step 1. Step 2. I'm gonna show y'all how I sleep. Don't be laughing at me in these comments. I'm trying to help you. Don't do it. Don't be laughing at me. All right, let's. All right, so what am I doing? Okay, I'm gonna show y'all. Let's go. Okay, so say this is my pillow. This is the bed underneath, okay, and I'm going to sleep. This is how I do it. I flip my hair up and I sleep like this on this side. And then when I wake up in the morning, it's usually like that or something, and I just go ahead and fluff it on out. Now, if you are a bad sleeper and you don't have that sixth sense that tells you when you turned your head or you just done something wrong, then sis, I think I got something for you too, but we're gonna get to that soon. Alright, so after you sleep like that and you've done this and then you wake up in the morning, I give my hair a nice good shake. I just go in with a comb or a pick, whichever you prefer. I'm just gonna show you with a comb real quick, and I just go in and I just fluff it on out to where I want it to be or whatever. And then I also just get the pick and I'll just pick it on out to wherever I want it to be for that day. And that's usually good enough. Like, it literally takes hardly no time for me to do that in the morning. something really simple, and that's really how I preserve my hair. Now, it's really important that for me, I don't sleep on the other side because I didn't plan for that. I'm not gonna set myself up for that kill. When I was younger, I used to sleep terribly. Now I've kind of mastered the art of sleeping neat because it helps us a lot. It really, really does. So try to, I don't know if you could really master that. That's pretty tough. If you don't sleep nice and neat at night, then let's try this. Okay, so I'm not a fan of the pineappling and the mini. I have done the mini pineapples, but the only thing with that is when I wake up, I don't really see that much of an improvement. Like, I feel like my hair is still shrunken, still smushed. It's not a good way of preserving to me. I have this huge bonnet, guys. Oh my God. This thing is big. Look at my... I didn't realize it would be this big on camera. So I have this huge bonnet that fits all of my hair, and literally what I would do if I were to use a bonnet at night, which I don't do it a lot, but if you sleep bad, this may be another option for you. So you can just put your hair, put the back part, this is the back part right here, okay. So you're gonna put that in the back, and then put your hair in, and just push it on in there, push it on in there, push it on in, and try to like fluff it out to where it normally is, and go to sleep like this. Now, the reason why I'm saying a big bonnet is because if you know, like whenever you get a smaller bonnet, you will wake up with your hair smushed, y'all. Like, it'll be smushed. So that's not good. So I don't like small bonnets at all. I'd rather do the big bonnets. And I got this at my local beauty supply store. So just try to find it. If you can't, try to order it online. I'm pretty sure someone has it. And here we go. I just take it off, shake, and then do the same picking as I usually do. Now, you may lose a little bit of definition and maybe a little more smushed than it was the previous day, but it will be preserved at least, and it won't have any knots or tangles or kinks, so that is a benefit to that. Also, another way you could sleep, guys, I just remembered this, if you don't mind sleeping like this at night, like this, then you can do that too. That way your hair is not touched at all. So that's a really good way to sleep as well. But if you can do that, then more power to you, because I can't. I'll be so uncomfortable. That's pretty much how I go to sleep and how I preserve my hair at night. When it comes to what I do at night to moisturize my hair, you guys, if you watch my other video on how to grow long natural hair, then you'll see this tip in there. I also add some oil to my scalp, maybe like usually around like 2 to 3 times a week. So I add some oil, not scoil, to my scalp before I go to bed, and I massage that on in. So that's pretty much it, guys. Look at my makeup. I am a child. Look, I am a child. Y'all have to see this. Look, I am a child, y'all. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you really did enjoy it. And if you have any other questions, let me know, and I'll make a video for that if it's highly requested. But a lot of people have asked me about this, my nightly routine and what I do when I go to sleep. So hopefully this helped you all and answered your questions. Leave me some comments Leave me some comments in the comment box below. Come chat with me. And also, please like and subscribe to my channel. And follow me on Instagram if you have not. So thank you all so much for watching this video. And I'll see you all in the next one. Mwah.